How to do future demo trading on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to do future demo trading on Binance. Now, future demo trading on Binance allow users to practice trading without risking real money. This feature is available through the Binance feature testnet, and here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Binance application. So for that case, you have to open up or visit the web browser. For that, type in Binance future testnet, and here you have to go and register. So click the register button and start creating your account. After you're logged into your account, and from the home page, navigate the future trading section. You will be directed to the demo trading interface as well. So from the testnet homepage, navigate to the future trading section. You will be directed to the demo trading interface, and on the left side, select the trading pair you want to trade with. And at the bottom, you will see your account balance, margin, balance, and the open positions. On the right side, select the order type and enter the quantity and the price. You could just go ahead and adjust the leverage by clicking on the leverage options above the order form. Next, you need to place the order, confirm it, and you could go and manage and monitor your position. Then you've successfully completed future demo trading on Binance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.